How to add more than one Gmail account in your phone. Let's begin the video. Once you open the Gmail app in your phone, you need to click Profile Image in the top right of the screen. Next, in this screen, click Add another account. Here, in Setup Mail, click the Google tab, which will open this screen. Enter your Gmail account and click the Next button to continue. Again here, enter the Gmail account password and continuing the process. And done with signing into the Gmail account. Let's open the Gmail app to confirm if the second Gmail account is added. And done adding the Gmail account. You can see both the email accounts, the previously existing Gmail account, and the new Gmail account. To enter into the second Gmail account, all you need to do is click on the second Gmail account tab. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.